Hello, people of the internet. For today's video, we are not in our usual location. We are actually in my housemate's room. So throughout this lockdown, we actually gained a new housemate, which is awesome. She's really, really lovely. We said from the minute when she moved in that we would try and, I'd help her redecorate her room. And what you can see behind me is all we did. Rent a hack, I'm sorry, but you can tape wallpaper to the wall. But that's all we managed to get done. So I thought it's Christmas Eve right now, and I'm not gonna go on about it, but I am on my own this year. And I know lots and lots of people are. So my heart goes out to you guys if you are spending Christmas by yourself this year. Oh, this lighting is bad. Oh no. I am gonna try and give my housemate Megan a makeover in her bedroom. You guys might have seen her if you watched my 1,000 subscriber special.
You could be like Tana Mongo or Trish with her OnlyFans show.
And I think the saddest part about that video is it doesn't even have like 100 views and it's 1,000 subscriber special. But she dressed up as fruit for me, which I thought was really fun, and she sang my song that I made her do. Absolute legend. So we're going to try and make over her room. This is what we are working with. Got a wardrobe over here, chest of drawers here, bed, TV, curtains. But what we're going to do is we are going to try and make over this space. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to go out. It's Christmas Eve, so I freaking hope I can find some things. But I'm gonna go out and just get a couple of maybe some accessories for the room, some spray paint. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I am heading out to the shop to try and get some decor as a last minute Christmas Eve thing. Gonna have a little walk there instead of taking the bus. Seriously though, if you are in a lockdown situation and even if you're with people or not, go for walks every day because it's really good for your mental health. Like every time I go out, I just feel so much better, like breathed in some oxygen. I think it's really good to just go outside and go for a walk so you don't end up just sitting in your room all day watching Netflix, which is what I can sometimes end up doing. Go outside every day, go and breathe in the air. Also, I will not apologise for looking like trash right now. My hair is crazy, no makeup, YOLO, I don't care. Okay, so here are some of the things that I got. Lots of plants. She's obsessed with purple. So I've got these like fake lavender things. This one is real. The prettiest purple candles. Another bouquet that I'm gonna do some DIY decor with. And some spray paint. So those are my decorative elements. Add plants, guys, wherever, because they just make everything look so nice. We are back in the room. This wallpaper is peeling off. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's gonna ruin the whole thing if this doesn't stick, so I might have to add some glue to get it working. So now we're going to take this curtain rod down. We're going to do this middle part of the wall, sort the desk out, maybe try and cut the curtains in half. I don't know how that's going to go. And yeah, then we'll have this side done. Okay, curtain poles are off. And this is the wallpaper we're using. It's over here as well. But it's so pretty. It's like a rose goldy pink thing with all these trees on. So I'm gonna put that down the middle. It's time for the best or maybe the worst one-man wallpapering job you've ever seen. I have got tape on my piece of wallpaper. I'm just gonna stick it to the wall and we'll see how it goes. Now I only have enough of this one left to do probably this middle section, but that's okay. We can work with that. Okay, update, it is now night time and I have got the wallpaper up and I cut both of these. These were both one panel, so I cut them both in half and did like a hem down the side so that they can close. So that is super good. Now I've got this table which I'm just going to cover in some I'm going to cover it in some white contact paper, and that should hopefully make it match because the bed is white, maybe I can cover this little table white as well. Who knows? We'll see. But that's where we're at so far. Okay, welcome to upstairs. We are going to be doing some spray painting up here. You can see I've got my little chair there ready to go. She really loves like rose gold. But this chair is blue, so got some spray paint. We're going to change the colour of it, and I've got a couple of other little like plant pots and things I'm just going to do as well, so that everything matches. Rose gold chair, easy.
The next day.
Good morning. So today we are going to finish up the room. I left all of the bits out to spray paint that I painted yesterday to dry, so hopefully that should be ready. Current progress on the room is looking so good. Got the wallpaper to stick, and I covered the table with this, added the little plant, candles. I also painted these as well, which look really cool now. Yeah, we've just got to add in some little extra decorations and it's going to be all ready. I'm going to get dressed today and try and be a bit more festive, just because I think it will make the day a bit better. So time to turn this into something more festive. Well, hello. We are out on a festive solo Christmas walk. I wanted to go out for a walk just because I said yesterday it's good for your mental health, but I thought we could have a real chat. Let's have a chat, shall we? Started walking the other way because there's loads of people. I'm not quite confident vlogging in front of humans yet, because I just think people will assume it's weird. Look at the moon in the background. Yes, it's like 4 o'clock. Yes, I didn't get out of bed till 12. Don't judge me, I'm alone. I've got nothing to do. Listen, this year could get really sad about the fact that I've not been able to see anyone, or that all of the work has been upskittled, everything's fallen to shit. And it is sad, but I am going to choose to look forward in this time, and celebrate the good things that have happened. I'll level with you guys, I've never had to spend Christmas by myself. I've been so lucky. I lived on my own since I was like 16, and I've always had friends that have treated me like family, that have always taken me in, and I've always had a really nice time at Christmas. So I never expected that, and this is the only year that I've had to spend it by myself. So even though it's not ideal, could be worse. I'm just trying to be thankful for that and hope that the next year is going to bring lots of awesomeness, right? I'm going to keep uploading to this channel. It was kind of just a thing I started doing in lockdown because I was hella bored. I actually really love it. So if you're by yourself or you've had a hard year, man, I'm sorry, it sucks. But all we can do is look forward, remember the people that have gone, and we have to do better, you know? And that's just the thing, it's not just this pandemic that's upskittled everything. Like, there's so much else going on in the world. Over this year, we've seen all of the racism issues, we've seen climate change going, we've got people really reflecting and looking at how the world is running right now, and going, well, we don't want to go back to this. So you're all saying, oh, when things are back to normal, but we shouldn't really go back to normal. We should go towards something better. This lighting, man, gosh. I've been really trying to look at how I can be better for the environment, shop better for the environment, and I've been filming some things throughout since about October that I want to share with you guys soon, because I think it's so important. Like, we think this year is bad, but what are we going to do when 8 million people are flooded and the summers are so hot that we can't even work outside? So you know, things are really going to change and ramp up, and we think this is like a bad year and it'll get better, but if we don't change then it will just get worse. Which is, I know, scary, but we can fix it. That's the thing. Humanity has never called for a time for us all to come together more than now, no matter your race, your sexual preference, your history, your, you know, whatever. We all need to come together and save the place where we live, or else there won't be a future humans to even argue about this. So that's kind of where I am at with it all. So I know things are rough. If you've lost people this year, you lost your job, you've had problems with mental health, it's been hard, it's understandable, and if you didn't get the things done you wanted to, don't think anybody did, so don't worry about that. So many pretty places to walk around where I live. I'm literally kind of in the woods, but I live in London. It's really cool. I haven't really done any vlogs, but take this as my vlogmas, because it's as close as we're going to get for this one. But maybe next year I will do the full dealio, the 25 days. Okay, so I'm about to go back home now and finish off this room. This chat was a bit deep and not super festive, but I hope that if you're struggling that you found this helpful. But yeah, I'm gonna go back and do this room. I really hope she likes it. I've literally painted her furniture and she could hate it, and I'm like, can't go back now, sorry, it's done. But hopefully she'll actually really love it, and that's my little Christmas surprise for her. So yes, I'm also going to give you a little fashion show of my Christmas outfit, so we're going to go back and do that now. Merry Christmas, guys. 2021, come on, be better, all of it. We started this invisible Christmas tree, and you know, from here you think, oh yeah, it's kind of right, but then all the tinsel fell, so I'm gonna have to fix that. This is what it looked like. I'll put it here. This is what it looked like when I did it, but yeah. So I've been out vlogging and calling people and stuff today. I forgot that I actually had some presents. They were both sent from my second mum. I have many mothers. So they write BYP on the bottom, which means basically your parents, because they are basically my non-biological parents and I love them very much. I'm very excited to see what is in here. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I think it's like solid hand cream. That's nice. And it's in a little tin, so there's no plastic. Delicious. That's so cute. These are adorable. Oh my God. Like whatever is in here, I can smell it. It smells good. Right there. Christmas blend. Love that. Oh, I think she sent me snacks because I was like, I like snacks. Now I recovered. I like snacks. I used to hate snacks and Christmas dinner. I'm not going to lie. I always dreaded like the Christmas Day part because I knew I was gonna have to like join in and like eat loads of things to not look weird, but now I like all those things. Look at this. It is a rainbow fantasy. I think this will be the new mug for my deep chat videos because it's like a small bowl. I could fit a lot of coffee in there. Oh, love that. They look beautiful together. Here for it. I've gone for my walk. I've got Christmasified. I opened my presents. Thank you so much, Debbie, for sending them to me. Love you loads. But I haven't finished doing the room yet. So I'm going to go and just put the spray painted furniture in there. Okay, not going to lie. I'm so excited with how this has turned out so far. I'll show you what we have done. So we chopped these panels in half and gave them a nice, well, not when you look at it like that, but this way it has a nice hem and they can be shut just like that. We added some little bouquet. She has a picture of her dog right here. Some fresh flowers, think these are dance shoes. They look like she was in Cats, so I'm assuming they're cat shoes, but I just put them there for now. Then her desk, we covered this in some contact paper, added some lavender. Her favourite earrings, with the other one broke though, so I was like, you can just put that there. And then we painted this chair so it looks copper, which is cool. On this side, we've got the wall. It is like kind of, it looks worse on camera, I'm going to be honest. In real life, it just looks like it has some motion. But that's probably the best we're going to get it for now in here. We did a little side table, put a book she was reading down there. Obviously all the candles are purple because what else are you going to do? We also painted these little wooden things, painted them white. We've got another little plant over there and le bed. So Megan, if you're watching this, I really hope you like it. We might add some artwork to the walls yet, I'm not sure, but I really hope that you like this. And let me just tell you about Megan, because we've seen her dressed up as grapes, but you might not know that much about her. She is a performer, she's a very talented dancer, singer, actor, the lot. She's one of the most lovely people I've ever met in my life, so I really wanted to give her a little surprise.
The next day.
Okay, so Megan just got here, so we're gonna go and let her in. So excited.
5 minutes later.
That was hilarious. Whoa, shit! You! I cannot believe you! Oh my god! Oh my f***ing god! You're mental! I can't believe you did that! Fuck's sake! Thank you so much! You're welcome. What the fuck, man? Genuinely very surprised! You did the wallpaper, right? I did. Oh my god! Oh my... I cannot believe you did that! Do you like it? I fucking love it! You did the rose gold and the... Oh my god! But don't think I tidied everything, because everything is either in there or in there, so... I'm filming you, by the way. Right now? I was wondering why your phone was I'm not expecting that at all. She likes it! Okay. I thought my Christmas present was you helping me with my bags upstairs. Nope. The wall still has motion. I like the motion. Okay, that's the end of the video. Bye!